So in this video, I'm down here at the beach in Florida, and I'm going to gather up some sand for casting sand. This sand is super fine. So it's a lot finer than what I can buy like at Home Depot or one of the other big box stores. So I'll still sift it because there's some shells and stuff like that in there. I just bought a tub at Walmart. Let's show you. I don't know how, it's really hard to show on the video, but I'll have to dry it whenever I get home, so that way I know the exact moisture content whenever I go to mix it up. But I figured I'd show a video from, or really it's going to be several videos from me harvesting the sand to me harvesting the clay to make casting sand with. And this got a little bit of strength to it, but not. It needs a lot of clay added to it. Yeah, convincing my wife to let me get an extra tub of sand to bring home from our vacation was interesting. So. But anyway, I just want to kind of show you start to finish the whole process from just gathering the raw materials to the finished product whenever I actually do some castings with it. That's enough of this right now. I'm gonna fill it. I'll probably fill it up to about there. That'll be enough to probably make 2 flasks full of sand. We'll see. But there's plenty of it out here. This is in Florida at Gulf Shores, actually Alabama Gulf Shores.